in love with your whole outfit.
Me too,
It
for
looks
that matter.
so good, and I love it. I love it.
We put it together this morning,
Yeah.
literally.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a great, really great opportunity. And the reason I say that is because it is less than $22 per top.
What?
This is less than $22 per top.
Wow.
Should be $71 for all three. You're getting them for $65. You do the math, it's $21.66 each. This is a set that comes with the dark teal, the gray, and the black. These are all going to have the V neckline. They're all going to have the 3/4 length sleeve, and they are all done in high-end rayon, 57% rayon, 38% cotton, 5% spandex. This is going to be the silkiest cotton you've ever felt, and that's because of the rayon. So if you want dark teal, gray, and black, that's one of the combos. This is the combo that I bought. I did, because I love this color. This is that same yellow, or we call it rose petal. That's the color that Tony had on earlier.
It's
in
like
the
a
waffle
light
knit.
peach, yeah.
It's beautiful. And then this is the yellow shirt I'm wearing, and then it comes in navy as well.
And you know what,
it's
Mary Beth?
navy, yellow, and rose.
Any one of those three colors you could put under your shirt.
We didn't know which one.
Yeah.
We picked the yellow.
I like the yellow.
You're exactly right. And then this color scheme is great too. You have a beautiful kind of an olive green. The natural and light orchid is one of the softest, prettiest purples. It's like lilacs. It's a color of lilac bushes. We call it light orchid. So you can get any one of these three. And when you do, you're literally paying $21.66 per shirt. And it's a great fit. I'm going to take my shirt off just to show you my t-shirt. And let me just hang that right back there. Okay. My bra strap keeps falling down. Sorry about that. Just is what it is. More TMI.
TMI.
But anyway. But here's the shirt. I'm wearing a medium. It fits really well. Fits in the shoulders. Fits under here. Fits well anywhere, even down around the hip area. And so go true to size, no problem. 67%. Is it 67 or 57 rayon? It was a lot of rayon.
It's a lot of rayon
which
rich.
I love, rayon rich.
Rayon
That's
rich.
expensive, and you're getting it $21.66 each.
Well, that
57%.
in itself is just a little crazy town, because if one of these was on QVC.com by itself, it would probably be like 35.
At least.
35 and 35 is 70.
Yeah.
You're kind of getting some off and then one free. So it's really a good opportunity to pick up three tops, essential pieces that are going to add mileage to your already existing wardrobe. And Mary Beth, this is a new fabric for us. We're calling it So Soft Jersey because the first thing you do when you touch it, you're like, oh my, this is so soft.
It is.
And so why not call it So Soft Jersey? Because that's what it is. Like Mary Beth said, rayon rich, a little cotton, a little spandex. Here's the other thing, Mary Beth. So we just started shipping this fabric out recently.
Okay.
Already the fans are emailing on Facebook saying, when are you getting more? Because this is my new favorite kind of jersey. So if you haven't tried So Soft Jersey, you're looking for some great V-neck tops to take you into spring and summer, I would seriously think about this, because this is a win all around. And just pick your pick colors. Like, do you want something more classic? Do you want to be like Mary Beth with some fun colors? Do you, I mean, if you don't have a beautiful lavender in your wardrobe, lavender is going to be a very good color for spring and summer. I'm telling you right now.
But
plus
even this
greens.
green, let me just show you
too.
how pretty that green is. That's like an olive. Look at that with the blue jeans that I'm wearing.
And you know what, Mary Beth?
Mm-hmm.
We have in the side pocket pant this olive, new olive color. It just came in this month.
That's true, brand new.
You like green? Look at that. I mean,
Very
you know,
pretty.
that's my jam right here.
Yeah.
Head to toe green. I love that. So
Still have your olive club?
I do. I just don't know when the meetings are. Do you?
That's so funny. It's only in name only.
In name only.
But
In mind only.
But I will tell you, the funny part is Gary, when he started coming on the air, because he had worked here at QVC for a long time with the Denim and Company, and we finally said, "Come on the air, Gary, come on." And everybody found out that he loved olive, and it's almost like they started an olive club. You know?
It was cute.
It was so cute, and it was mostly people just, loving
the
Gary
color.
on his Facebook page and all. But here you've got that olive, and it's not a dark olive, and then the natural color that goes with everything.
Everything.
That beautiful light orchid. Those three come together. $21.66 for each of these, with 57% rayon, 38% cotton, 5% spandex, machine wash, tumble dry.
So good.
And this one, 500 sets already gone. This is that rose petal, that peachy pink. Here is the yellow, and then we have the navy blue. And I'm fewer than 400 in this set. And then we also have this set, which I like too, because this is my kind of color, this dark teal. Love that blue. Here's the gray, and then the black. The other thing is, what if you have a daughter that perhaps wears the same size as you, or a daughter-in-law? I mean, you can keep a couple and give her one, whatever, mix and match. But the other thing too is that, you might say, well, I never buy gray. Well, try it.
Yeah.
Put gray with red. Put gray with pink.
Put gray with white.
Oh,
and
you know
wear
what?
some silver jewelry with it.
Oh,
it would
yeah.
be gorgeous. Yes.
You could put that gray
Under pink.
this pink right
Yeah.
here.
Mm-hmm.
And that would be really super cute. And then that gray jean. We had the storm gray jean.
We did,
And it's like you can be in neutral colors, but then you give it a pop. And if you miss this, you need to go back on QVC.com and try to find the pink, the blue, and the navy on those shirts, because those are also really, really good. But the whole thing is you can wear it on its own. It's going to have breathability in the summertime. You're not sweating in it because it's 38% cotton. The key here is the 57% rayon. Rayon is all about drapiness.
And doesn't it feel
it feels
so good on your skin?
amazing. Feel that.
Yeah, I know.
It feels so good.
It's so soft.
It is. That's just it. That and my fat arms.
So
it's
soft,
all
Jersey.
a lot of softness. I tell you, when I was a little kid, I used to tell my grandmother, "Grandma, you feel so squishy." I said, "No, I'm a squishy grandma. I like that. I don't mind. Hey, let them think I'm squishy. I like it. They love to, snuggle with me." So anyway, but the whole thing is that you've got cute tops that you could put under shirts or under blazers, under nothing, just over your undergarments, and then wear it with the favorite pair of jeans or the favorite pair of pants. 800 sets already gone. It comes out to $21.66 for each of these. $21.66 for each of those. You can get the teal gray with the black, or the 700 in this choice left. We have the navy yellow and the rose petal. Fewer than 300 left to go around. And then here is that beautiful olive green with the natural, with the light orchid. 500 of those sets left. It's a great price. That's why you go for it and get it. Here's the gingham shirt. 700 of these already